Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Lowe's app accounts and saved lists to new device. To transfer your Lowe's app account and saved lists to a new device, start by ensuring both your old and new devices are fully charged. On your old device, open the Lowe's app and sign in to your account. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Once in your profile, look for the option that says Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Account section. Select Backup Account Data or Export Data if available. Follow the prompts to create a backup of your account data and save lists. This backup may be stored in the cloud, linked to your email, or saved within the app. Next, turn on your new device and ensure it has the Lowe's app installed. Log into the Lowe's app on your new device using the same account credentials. After signing in, navigate again to the profile icon in the top right corner. Access the Settings menu on your new device. Locate the Account section once more and select Restore Data or Import Data. Choose the backup. Wait for the transfer process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the transfer is complete, your saved lists and account settings should appear in the app. To confirm functionality, navigate to your saved lists and check for accuracy. If everything appears correct, your transfer is successful and you are ready to use the Lowe's app on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.